Hi Libra, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and today we'll be doing your November read. Let's see what energies are flowing towards you in November, Libra, and these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind, take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Libra and send them the messages they need to hear the most for the month of November. Thank you. Alright Libra, let's start your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here again. And Libra, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Alright Libra. Libra. Bottom of my deck, I have the Three of Pentacles, Libra. Maybe this is something to do with work, or maybe you want to work together with somebody, but things are going to shape up where you're going to take forward action to work with people. Because I do see a little bit of defensive energy at the moment, though you are trying to see the higher perspective here. Something happened, Libra, in the recent past, maybe some news or something happened which kind of burdened you. It was quite heavy, and now you are trying to see things from a higher perspective. You're trying to see how you can overcome these hurdles. But in November, Libra, your advice is to stop looking back at the past with sadness or concentrating on all this heaviness that took place. There is happiness coming for you. The minute you change, you turn around, you see how you can work things out and work with others. Okay, so what this really means, I'm going to clarify first, Libra, then we'll open the rest of the cards. But before that, I'm going to take an angel blessing card for you. A Ganesha oracle card. I love the monthlies because I get to use this deck, Libra. So let's see what Lord Ganesha has for you as any advice. Cultivation. See, time to cultivate. Instead of being in solitude and feeling bad about what didn't work out or whatever didn't go right in your life in the past, it's time to cultivate this. Maybe it's just a hobby, or maybe from what I'm feeling, it's more to work with others. Okay, cultivate some good habits, some good. Not that you have bad habits, Libra, I'm not saying that, but it's time to cultivate some kind of regime which is going to lift your vibration high. Okay, because looking back at the past with sadness, with regret, this didn't happen, I should have done that, should have done, it just kind of brings you down, right? So it's time to cultivate some new things in your life. Let's take a few lines from the book as well, Libra, for you. Let's see what Lord Ganesha's message is. 37 is 65. Cultivation. Okay, music can heal. That's your message here from Lord Ganesha. Your spirituality is essential of who you are, and it forms the framework of your world. Music resonates with the human spirit. At the heart of humanity is the song of the soul. Music has the power to unite communities, cultures, and civilizations. Listening to music can heal, hearten, and support your soul. Studies have shown that musical tones communicate with and have energetic impact on the cells and organs of the human body. It's believed that cells vibrate and essentially have their own musical intonations. Listening to music can help heal and uplift your energy. That's exactly what I said right now. So one of the ways you can lift your vibration, even heal your body if you've been unwell or something, Libra, music will really help you. You may find that tuning into uplifting or calming music, you create space for higher contemplation and in turn gain more clarity about what you're creating in your life. It can also bring about stronger connection to your higher self or to oneness. Music cultivates community as sound fosters communication and greater unity. Cultivation is a continual process that develops, encourages, and nurtures. There is a spiritual connection that forms between music and the listener. Ganesha is inviting you to incorporate music in your life in a way that will augment your spiritual expansion. Listening to soothing music while you prepare for your day, move away from noise or excessive electronics and digital images and back to a more melodic existence. Take time and listen to music. Doing this will shift your energy to a clearer and more receptive state. So, Libra, if you ever feel yourself feeling low, feeling down, not feeling well, anything, if your body is complaining or your soul, mind, anything, just take some time out and listen to some music. It's really, that's going to be the therapy that you need. Okay? So now let's see what's happening. So Spirit, what's the 7 of Wands for Libra in their current energy? This is not yet November, okay? So let's see what's happening right now while I'm doing the reading. 7 of Wands for Libra. 7 of Wands for Libra, Spirit. Okay, you have had some kind of change, some shocking change, and you are wanting to run away from that or move away from that. Maybe there's been some upheaval in your life. There has been some drastic change that's happened in your life which you feel you're not in control of. You want to return back to a place where things were fine, where things were moving, where things were more balanced. But in the recent past, I think something happened which kind of burdened you. Yes, towards which you had to make some kind of a choice. This could have been not a very pleasant change, I would say. It was disruptive. That's the best I can put it. Very, very disruptive, which you are now. You are on the verge of now moving away from that. Don't worry. But in November, I do see that you're very close, except that the minute I said very close, you are going to be letting down whatever conflicts that you have in your mind, heart. But yes, music will be a big thing. Try, and whenever you go into this state of remembering all the conflict or that burden that you have on your mind, just make sure that you take some time out for yourself to be in a peaceful state. You have to train your mind, I guess. Yes, Libra, if you have had anything where you felt that, things are not going according to plan, or things have ended, or you feel maybe unwell, this could also be some news about your well-being, right? It's time now to put that burden down, and things are going to come into partnership. You basically, Libra, what Spirit is saying, it's up to you. It's up to you to clear your head. The minute your mind, body is in sync, and you have a goal in mind where you feel, I am going to be harmonious. This is not about two people here, Libra. I feel this is you and yourself. This is like looking at yourself in the mirror and setting down goals for yourself. What are you going to concentrate on? On what didn't work out in the past? Or are you going to move towards things which are going to make you happy? Even here, see, Libra, I have this 5 of Cups. This person is sad, right? They're looking at the 3 cups which have overturned and whatever. What Spirit is saying, turn around. There are 2 full cups here. Okay? The 2 full cups are, 2 is a number of balance. And I have the same 2 cups here, right? So, yes, be very, very mindful of where your brain is taking you. Mind over matter, they say, right? So, make sure you train your mind whenever you're feeling any conflict or feeling any kind of sadness. Make sure that you are diverting your mind to forward movement instead of what hasn't worked out in the past. So, before I open the rest of the cards, I'm also going to take an angel blessing card for you. So, my angels, what do you have for Libra for November? Reward, yes. This is one of the ways, at least that's the way I do it when I get this card, Libra. Whenever you feel you feel down, or you feel sad, or you're looking at the past and think, whatever you're thinking, give yourself a little pat on the back and reward yourself. Okay? Even if it's like just having a favorite ice cream or watching a funny show on Netflix or anything small also. Whenever you feel yourself going into the past, start rewarding yourself for how far you've already come. That's going to again raise your vibration, right? To divert your mind from what didn't happen and what you're going to focus on now. Things are going to get good for you. When I get a card like reward, well, all Lord Ganesha is saying your rewards are coming, but just cultivate your mind, heart and soul towards forward movement instead of backward. So now let's see, what should Libra hold on to? Libra, see, this is exactly what I was saying, right? You have to walk away from the past hurts. Anything that has emotionally drained you, or you felt you were not satisfied emotionally, or any kind of pain, or you have to start walking away. Again, this person is walking away from 8 empty cups to those 2 full cups. Now, the 2 is a very important number here, Libra, for you. Again, this person, that's what Spirit is saying. Hold on to that thought of those 2 cups. And 2 is balance. 2 is a number of balance. And the first balance that you have to find is between your heart and your soul. So why should Libra hold on to this feeling of the 8 of Cups, Spirit? Because you have to bring that faith back, Libra. This is the 6 of Cups. This is like childlike innocence. When things were good, you think about the happy memories instead of thinking of whatever didn't happen. Spirit says, we're giving you a fresh new chance. What you have to do is also think of the happy memories here. When you were innocent, when you were healthy, when you were wealthy, when you had good friends around. So hold on to these images. Hold on to these images, and in between, whatever hasn't worked out, it's time to walk away from that and move towards peace and harmony within yourself. All right, so what should Libra let go of, Spirit? Temperance. Why should Libra let go of temperance? Libra, I think it's time for self-care. Yes, it's time for self-care. It's time for healing. It's time to let go. That's the question I asked, right? It's time to let go of feeling any kind of lack. Again, this is all mind over matter, right? So Queen of Cups is somebody who's very nurturing, loving, and takes good care of herself. Masculine, feminine, doesn't matter. The Queen of Cups is basically a card which represents self-care. Self-care, and take it easy. I know there's a lot of passion, you want to charge forward, you don't know how to, maybe feeling a bit of lack, but this is what you have to let go of, Libra, and concentrate on healing yourself from within first. Okay? The forward movement will follow automatically. So what, Spirit, can become Libra's biggest blockage? Feeling in lack again, Libra, feeling things will never get better, holding on to whatever you have and feeling that lack again. 4 of Pentacles is that miser card, right? I have this, and if I let that go, I'll never get anything more, and this is all I have. I will never get another chance again. Something like that. So Libra, it's time to let go and allow the universe to bring in your rewards now. So Spirit, tell us, why will the 4 of Pentacles become a blockage for Libra? Libra, your new beginning is coming. The problem here is somewhere you've lost faith. You've lost your strength, okay? Even if it's physically or mentally or emotionally, you have to make that choice. The choice will be in your hands, Libra. Do you want to stay here, or do you want to trust the universe and leap forward into a brand new beginning? So yes, this can become a blockage if you don't allow the universe to propel you into a beautiful new future. Okay, so how are people going to be seeing Libra, Spirit, in November? 6 of Cups. Yes, Libra, I think you'll be taking this advice. You are going to return back to this childlike innocence of enjoying every moment with your friends, with your family, and living now. Okay? Instead of living in the past or living in the future, it's time to begin now and enjoy every minute, every second of it. There are going to be some strong friendships that you'll be making. Let's see why the Six of Cups is here. Why do people see? The minute you start accepting your now and start enjoying the present moment completely, Libra, is when people will be seeing you, this beautiful change that you're going to come through. Wheel of Fortune, it will be in your favor and you will be moving forward. Luck will be favoring you. But you have to remember, Libra, this was your advice, right? Make sure that you stay in this vibration. Again, see, I have these two people here exchanging flowers with each other, very childlike, innocent fun, innocent happiness. So stay present. I mean, even a flower can give you more happiness in the present moment than maybe a lost, diamond which you had 10 years ago. So start enjoying each and every moment as if you were, born again. And yes, people are going to be seeing you as having these happy changes and having luck on your side. So Spirit, what is your secret message for Libra for November? Queen of Swords. Yes, Libra. This is exactly what I told you earlier as well, right? You have to train your mind, cultivate your thoughts. Your thoughts become your reality. So this is Spirit's secret message to you as well. The way you can move forward is if you train your mind to think positive affirmations. Maybe, let's say, Queen of Swords say something. Why is that a secret message for Libra? Why is that a secret message for Libra, Spirit? Okay. Spirit says, Libra, Spirit says, you have to start listening to your intuition. Okay, start listening to your intuition. You're a warrior. Yes, you may have had some battles which you have come out for. You may feel a little bruised and damaged and hurt and whatever, but it's time to begin again. Libra, Wheel of Fortune, I already showed you, it's in your favor, but the minute you start, listening to your intuition, and staying calm. Maybe meditation and being calm is going to be an important time for you in November, Libra. Don't give up. This is a card of the wounded warrior who says, I will not give up. And the minute you decide to do that, Libra, Spirit is giving you fertility, growth, abundance, and forward movement. Okay, the only thing here, Libra, from what I'm seeing here is the November energies are urging you to cultivate your mindset. Don't look back into what didn't happen. In fact, think of what can be. Okay, so yes, that's all I have for you, Libra. I hope you have a wonderful month of November, and I'll keep meeting you. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.